my fucking truck.
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. This is going to be a special episode. Get you guys a little bit of box action. These are sneakers that I bought for customers, but I'm going to do a quick review of all of the Cardi B second run. Hold on one second, guys. Let me get a light out so you guys can actually see the box. I hope you guys can make this out, but you see the box says it's a little Reebok symbol, Cardi B. This is size 9 pink. Got a couple pairs of pink. I'm separating everything out. A couple pairs of yellow, or was it neon lime, and a couple pairs of white. So we're going to start at the beginning. Let's start at the first box. Let's get this knocked out. Go over this side. I don't know how they did it, but these shoes actually smell like a girl. Let's start with this one. Get each one out the box. Do a quick look. Let me set the shoe up so you guys can at least see the shoe while I'm doing this. Fumbling with this box. This box is terrible. Alright, let's continue. Okay, move this camera down so you guys can be at a better angle. Alright, good to be on tripod. But this is the white one. Do a 360 of this one first. Qualities on this shoe seem to be okay. A couple of them I've seen with glue stains here and there, but it was nothing major that would make me not want the shoe. It should make you guys not want the shoe. That bottom is incredible. We're going to do one more 360 and get on to the next shoe. I don't know if you guys are getting these for Valentine's Day or whatever, but this is definitely going to make any female that likes shoes happy. See, to get that little translucent space there. That's the white. Let's get on to this next one. I'll take that good one. Got these in here good. Sorry, guys. This is, have you seen the color? This is the neon green or neon lime, whatever color they're calling it. Let me check the box real quick. There's a neon lime. Made in Vietnam, baby. The other day with these shoes different. I think this might be my favorite. Woo! That's a good looking shoe. I'm gonna give you guys one more 360 and get on to the final shoe. They all seem to be clean. Good quality. And like I said, if you're into sneaker smells, this is one of the best smelling sneakers I ever smelled. It's chemically yet feminine somehow. It's very weird. Just give you guys a look at the bottom. Then we're going to get on and get to this. It's the one that everybody liked the most. Get you these pinks. It's everybody's favorite. Sold out instantaneous. My second favorite, like I said, I like the green better, or the lime. This pink one ain't bad. This pink one is very good. I don't think you can go wrong. If you can, I recommend you get all three in your collection. Pink sold out, but resale ain't hitting for too much. So in case you do got to get some pinks for resale, they won't hurt your pockets, guys. Like I said, they're guaranteed to like these for Valentine's Day. This will get you in the clear You won't have them by Valentine's Day if you don't have them already, but you might be able to hit Foot Locker, Foot Action, or whatever Reebok store, get a pair. Alright, let's line up all the suspects. Hopefully we can get them all in frame at one time. You guys can see which ones do you like best. Let me move this camera back. That's in a nutshell, guys. You know which one of these you like better? Let's see if we can do a little side profile. I'd stagger it a bit, but it should fit. Alright, what do you guys think? Which is your favorite? This is the Reebok Cardi B. I think this is the second release. I'm going to be getting pairs of red and black in case you guys are interested. If you guys are interested in any of these pairs, let me know. I'll be having various sizes. I'm starting to get them in now. You guys want them more front? Like I said, yeah, so far, this one's my favorite. Let me know what you guys and gals think down below. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. We're going to keep the channel going. We're going to keep the channel growing. You know, if you guys want to see any more of these or any more ladies' shoes on the channel, and make sure to keep it safe out there. Everybody fucking jump!